Ever wondered how to grow garlic from store-bought green shoots? Welcome to the fascinating world of homegrown garlic, a journey that's simple yet rewarding. Experience the joy of nurturing, the thrill of growth, and the satisfaction of harvesting. Stick around to learn the easy steps to grow your own garlic at home. First things first, gather the essentials. You'll need store-bought garlic with green shoots, a pot or garden space with well-draining soil, and water. Each ingredient plays a vital role in nurturing your future garlic harvest. With these simple materials, you're ready to start growing. Now, on to the fun part, planting your garlic. Your first step is to choose a garlic clove that has green shoots. These shoots are a sign that your garlic is ready to grow. Once you've chosen your clove, it's time to plant. Simply place your clove in the soil with the green shoots facing upwards. This is the direction that your garlic will grow. Next, you'll want to water your garlic regularly. Garlic loves water, but be careful not to overwater. Too much water can cause the cloves to rot, so keep the soil moist but not saturated. Finally, the hardest part, waiting. Garlic is not a fast-growing plant, taking several months to fully mature. But trust us, the wait is worth it. Imagine the satisfaction of cooking with your very own homegrown garlic. So, remember, patience is key here. In a few months, you'll have homegrown garlic ready to harvest. So that's all it takes to grow garlic from store-bought green shoots. You start with a few simple materials, follow our step-by-step guide, and voila, you're a garlic grower. Not only is this process easy, it's also incredibly rewarding. The benefits are many: fresh garlic at your fingertips, a greener environment, and the gratification of growing your own food. So why not give it a try? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy growing!